To customize Edge panel in Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter display right here. And now if we scroll down, we'll be able to find the Edge panel. Sorry for that. So you can enable or disable it right there. You can click on the Edge panel options and then enter panels. That way you can activate or deactivate panels that will be visible in your Edge panel. So choose whichever ones you like. There's plenty of options, and with that you can also click on edit to add or remove icons from it. So we can, for example, remove the notes and then add the camera. Now we can go back to the Edge panel settings and change the handle. That is the Edge panel that you can see. You can customize it in the left or right position. You can move it vertically up and down. You can change the color for it, adjust the transparency, adjust the size, and with it. Now lastly, we can also show it in the landscape mode. When this is active, you'll be able to see Edge panel when you rotate your phone. So finally, when we have it all set up, let's try to access it. As you can see, it works fine, and there's the camera that I've added. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.